I'm creating a host. You have to share screen again.
Okay, good morning. Sony, on the previous things, I just have some doubts, Sony.
Okay.
Can I share that first and show you?
Yes, yes.
You're able to see?
Yeah, visible.
Why is there an empty space on top here? Okay, nevertheless. So this one, right? Okay. So for the left one, I'm like you. I did not understand the text to column one. So what I did here is I typed Mohan, okay, and
Okay.
then what I did is I did flash fill,
Okay.
okay, and then I dragged, so it came out properly. Is it that is also right?
This option is also fine if you want to use flash fill, you can use it.
Okay, this text to column, why I didn't understand is because when you gave example, you gave okay, now since the middle name is not there, you gave off left right, is it?
Okay.
That is why you did not give the middle column.
Middle one, yeah.
Okay, so I do this and then I go to text to column and then I understand that I do this and then space for left up, what will I do?
Space only you have to put.
Okay, 1 second. Suppose I come here. I click here, is it? How do I start the left one? I didn't understand the text to column thing.
So text to columnar will not work here because it contains a formula. In case of text to columnar, formula should not be there. So in proper we have formula, so that's why it is not working. But if you want to use left, you can use left formula here.
Okay, left formula is
Equal
equal
left.
tab and then I select here, it will come off, is it?
Right.
Okay. Otherwise, the text to column is equal to, I will go to the text to column thing. And then I will go back next and then I will give space and then next and finish it.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So like we were working on.
The same sheet we can work.
We were working on the date functions.
हाँ एक और है हाँ ये date वाला I was trying here. Okay, where is this? Date wala. See, when I did this one equal to today, it did not come. When I did equal to today, okay, and then it's saying that return the current date formatted as a date. So you told this right? It was not coming. Oh, it's coming. That time it was not coming.
You just have to press enter here.
I did that. Okay. Here again, this now this thing, when you did, even the date and everything came, right? When I did only
Time has come up.
only time has come. And now
So,
both.
so basically if the date is not coming, you can go to the home tab and you can provide this custom. If you change it into time, so automatically it will give you time only. But we have to provide both the things. So that's why we have used custom option.
But when I did, only time was coming. I don't know
So
why.
format will be there. No? That's why. Suppose if I'm clicking here and what I have done, I have formatted it with time. And now I'm using my function.
See, when I did this, I got it. Control और ये करने से मुझे मिल गया था. Control और colon. Okay, date वो sheet में. Then this, then I did control shift and
Colon.
colon,
Hmm.
I got only time.
So the shortcut key will give you only time. It will not give you date.
If I want date and time,
So like you have to use now formula because the shortcut key is applicable for time only.
is equal to now open quotes, close quotes, enter.
Right.
Open bracket, close bracket. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on.
Fine. So like we have break our date in the year, we have break in the month, day, and we have joined with the function of date. Right? So now
Hmm.
you tell me, can we type our date in this way? No, we cannot type this date as is this method.
No, I don't think so.
Okay. So what basically I'm saying that we can convert our month into alpha mode only.
Mm-hmm.
So what I want you to do, you have to provide me month name.
Mm.
So this month function give you a numerical data. It is giving you a numerical data. But now what I want you to convert this month name, present the date of joining into text format. So we'll use a function of text here. To this function equal text tab button value.
Value. I have to type value.
No, you have to select value. Means you have to select date of joining.
Mm. Date of joining or month of joining?
Date of joining.
ये वाला.
Any you can select comma. After that, na this I'm putting here because m is a alpha value. I am putting it into inverted comma, and you will see the effect. If I'm typing, just give me a minute. If I'm typing m for the single time, it is giving you 9 only. But if you type double m, 09. If you type triple m, half spelling. See. But basically, I'm saying that M is standing for the month.
अगर I have to, I mean, like, why are we selecting date? We can't select the month
So
column.
this month column we have taken out with the month formula. Na? Suppose
Mm-hmm.
if you are using text function, suppose you don't have these cells.
Mm.
So automatically which one you will select? Your date of joining because it
Correct.
contain your number, it contain your day, it contain your month and it contain your year. So
Correct.
automatically you have to select your date of joining. No need to
Correct.
select month. So do this once equal text
Well, text. Okay.
tab button.
Tab.
Now you will select the date of joining.
Date.
You have to place your cursor after a bracket, yeah, comma, and because M is standing for month, so in inverted comma, press M once, single inverted, yeah, M, inverted comma close.
You only one M or how many M?
As of now, only single M, inverted comma close and enter. Enter. It will give you 9 only because we have given single M. Now double click on the 9 and put double M. Enter. See, 09 is there. Double click. When you press triple M, it will give you name.
Got it.
Okay. So this is the text format. Means and you are changing any value into text format. Just drag this one.
I have to drag it. Okay.
Yeah, you have to drag it.
Okay.
See.
Hmm.
After that month name, what I want you to do. Suppose this is day. Day means day. But I want to know the weekday. Means it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or any other day. This I want to know. Okay. So
Hmm.
just type here weekday.
Where?
Yeah, here weekday.
इधर करूं?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Weekday. Now use this function once equal weekday.
है क्या? Date of
Okay.
join.
Yeah.
Okay.
Enter.
It's telling and serial number, na? Serial
Huh.
number.
Serial number will be your date of joining. You just have to press enter.
Enter. Huh?
And you will drag it.
क्या है? 6 क्या है weekday का?
This we have to understand what is 6 here. Suppose weekday is basically that we are calculating whether it was Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday, right?
Correct.
So what I have done, I have dragged it. So when I have
Hmm.
dragged it, so we get to know what is sixth number. So I have put in this value. Now tell me, sixth is your Friday? Hello?
Yeah, got it.
Huh.
Friday.
Sixth
Hmm.
is your Friday. But
Hmm.
this we have to understand that we are saying that your sixth is your Friday because
Hmm.
we are calculating from the Sunday. If someone has come and they are calculating from Monday, so what will be your sixth day now? Now you will say
Change, na? Hmm.
Saturday, right?
Mm-hmm.
So basically, if we are giving only the number, right, it becomes problem because we cannot
Correct.
explain that whether we are calculating from Sunday or
Correct.
Monday,
Correct.
and we have to count also. So
Hmm.
again, what we will do, we will change this value, we will change the 6 into text format. Use this function again, equal text. No, weekday, in date of joining, we have only month, year, and day. But now we have to convert weekday, na? So you will select 6 here. Yeah, comma. And D is standing for the
Date.
date. So if you type single D, it will give you 6 only. If you give double D, 0, 6, triple D, half spelling. So in inverted commas, type D. Inverted comma close. Enter. Drag this one.
No, I mean, see, in this, what you're telling is it is considered Sunday as the
First
date.
day.
Okay, correct, automatically. But what if it is from Monday?
Okay, if you want to calculate from Monday, this you want?
Either, I mean, like if it is 6, then if you say the other option, it should be Saturday, right? So वो कैसा, how is that happening?
फाइन फाइन सो लाइक मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि ऑप्शनल केसेस में सपोज अभी यहाँ पे 6 है सो आप ये सोच रहे हो दैट वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग फ्रॉम संडे मैं ये सोच रही हूँ आई एम कैलकुलेटिंग फ्रॉम संडे टू इट विल बी माय फ्राइडे बट इफ यू आर सेइंग दैट आई एम कैलकुलेटिंग फ्रॉम मंडे सो इट विल बी योर सैटरडे so basically what happened in the weekday we have an option of return type comma when I put comma na so there will be an option of return type in which one first is standing for means you are calculating from Sunday. 2 is standing for Monday. 3 is standing for Tuesday. In this way. So when I put nothing, so it means we are start calculating from Sunday. So if we check out from Sundays, Fridays are 6th day. That what is showing here. Like was मेरा clear?
Yeah, kind of. Okay.
But see, ये जो I have to carry out weekday mostly. But weekday भी put करने के लिए what I have done, I have used 2 cells. Right? So I don't want to use 2 cells. I want just a 1 cell to show the value of text. So first of all, what we have to do, this is our weekday formula. And in the text which we have taken G40 when it is taken out with the weekday function. Okay. So I have double click here. Put your cursor here.
Okay.
Start text function.
What do I have to do?
Text function.
Text I have to type
Yeah.
on this in the weekday thing.
Ha.
Okay.
Tab button.
Okay.
The value should be full weekday formula because we get the value from this weekday function. I will go at the last comma.
Okay.
And now you will put D, 4 times D in inverted comma. Yes. Yes, you can do. And now you will write. See. Means there will be no need to use an extra formula. What we have done. First of all, we have taken out the weekday function equal weekday. This weekday function will automatically give you the number. So it has given you a number. But this number I want to change into the date format. So that's why before this weekday, I have started with text and comma, inverted comma D. Suppose if you type 3 times D, you will get half spelling of it. Getting half spelling? So means we are using functions inside the formula. So this is the
First you did equal to weekdays open.
Hmm.
Which column you selected?
I have selected. You can select this one or this one. Any you can select.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
And now I'm just typing some random names here, random dates here with the name of assignment submitted. This is your assignment submitted date. Means on this day you have submitted the date. So on the basis of the submission, I have to provide you promotion. So I have to decide your promotion date. So what I'm saying that if you have submitted your date on 9th, which means I will give you promotion after 3 months. So suppose if अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ you have to add 45 into 3. So what you will do? You will use some formula automatically, right? But now what I want you to do, we have to add some month in the date. This is our date and we have to add 3 months in this date. So suppose this is my date. If I'm adding something in it, so automatically it will get on in the date. See, 1720, but it is not changing your month value. So what I want you to do, you have to change the month. If it is 8th September here, so after 3 months, it will be 8th December. So I want to get a value after 3 months. Just use this function edate equal edate. It is asking for start date. So you have to select the assignment start submitted. Month 3. Good. Enter. First of all, you will drag all the values. Then after that, you will change. Yeah. Now press Control Shift 3. Control Shift 3. Now you tell me, is it giving you correct value?
No.
Okay. So how are you getting that it is giving you the wrong value?
Promotion date should be after 3 months, no?
So after 3 months means this is 8 September, right? So इसके
Hmm.
3 महीने बाद आपकी क्या डेट हो सकती है?
September. Okay.
It
Okay.
means it is summing up the three
Got it.
months
Got it.
here.
Got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
At the same time, this is assignment submitted and this is promotion date. Now I'm
Mm-hmm.
typing one date with the name of assignment allotted. So assignment has been allotted after, sorry, before 3 months. Before 3 months of submission.
Mm-hmm.
So now what we have to do, we have to use minus here because here हम क्या कर रहे थे, हम after के 3 months की डेट मांग रहे हैं, लेकिन अब हमें कौन सी डेट चाहिए? Before.
Mm-hmm.
Again use this function equal edate.
Okay.
Start date will be same,
Mm-hmm.
comma. Now it is asking for month.
Mm-hmm.
Before 3 months date I want.
Mm.
So I will type -3.
-3, is it?
Enter. Before 3 months date.
Okay.
So basically this idiot function, what is doing here, we have a sum function, but sum is used to add the numbers only. But if you want to add or minus anything in your date values, so you have to use edate function. Now with is date, you will get to know that it may change your month, at the same time it will change your year. But is it changing your date options also?
Date options, it is just giving like
Same
exact.
date, right? Exact date it is giving it. If it is 8 September, so 8 December and 8 June, so means it is not giving you any kind of change date. So what I want to give promotion, but not on the exact date. I want to give to the last date of after 3 months. So this edit functions give you an exact difference after 3 months. But now I don't want I don't want first date. I don't want exact date. I want last date of a particular month. So we'll use this function of EO month. Just use this function equal EO month. Tab button. Yeah, you will select the assignment submitted date, comma 3. And now you will write. Now you will press Control Shift 3. Now you tell me, is it giving you?
Yes, the end month it's giving.
The end date it is giving you of the third month. In the same way, if we want last date of 3 months, same formula, but we have to use minus button here. Again, use this function. Now you will do. Control Shift 3. Fine. See, we can carry out first date also by just pressing add 1.
What did you do?
I have just add 1. At the last, I will go at the here. At the last, I will go after the bracket. I will plus symbol and 1.
Okay.
And if you want your 15 days, so you have to add 15 here. So it will give you plus 15 days. So this is the way you can carry out any date. Right? Like in date, what I want you to make a difference of something. Suppose this is my current date and this is my 1947 date. First of all, I want to carry out the difference in years. How many years is there? At the same time, I want to get the difference in days also. First of all, difference in years, and after that, difference in days. So for getting the difference in year, we will use a hidden formula which is dated if. It is hidden. You have to start it. Just use this function equal dated if. It is a hidden formula. You have to start the bracket on your own.
What I have to do? Equal
Equal
to
dated if.
date diff. Okay.
If bracket open. After that, it will ask you for the start date. So start date will be a 1947 date,
Not
comma.
anything.
Yeah.
It's just showing open bracket, close bracket.
No, comma. Because it is a hidden formula, that's why it is not showing you material. And date, comma. So now what I basically want to get, I want to get difference in year. So I will put inverted commas y.
Inverted commas.
Y.
Why is it?
Y. Year is standing for y. So that's it. Inverted comma close and enter. See 74 years. So means through this dated if function, we can find out the difference in year. But that's by giving dated if functions by providing their start date, end date, and year. Okay. Fine. In the same way, we have to find out the difference in days. So you will
How
do
did
the
we? 1 second. So
sorry.
we put. So this, if I go here, it shows na date diff, and then I select the start, then I select the end, then I
And
comma, and then year. Correct.
y.
So the same thing. If I want in days, then I will put equal to, then I'll put date diff, and then I'll it. Then I will put this, then I'll put comma, then I'll put this. And
See, giving you
correct?
yeah. In the same way, you can check out this answer with the formula of days also. Just use this function equal days.
Equal date diff, is it?
Yeah, days only days.
Date.
Days.
Days. Okay. Okay.
Tab button.
Okay.
Yeah, end date.
End date.
End date. Yeah, 2021. Yeah, enter. See, giving the same answer.
Okay, so you have an option with for days, but you don't have an option for years, is what you're telling, is it?
Right.
Why is that so?
Like in dated def we have only calculated with year, but if you want to use with days also, suppose if you are not using day, you are using m, so you can find out the month difference also. So it is applicable for all the things. You can find out days difference, you can find out month difference, and year difference also. But as practically, because it is a hidden formula, some know this option, so we have to use the word days for it. Most probably we will
And for
use
months also you have? For months also you have?
for month I have used dated F and I have changed this D into F.
No, correct. But like for days, do you have months also, which is a formula which is already there? Like instead of date diff, we put
So
days.
for month we don't have any option.
Don't have, na? So you have to use date diff only.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
So in this way we can find out the difference in dates also. Okay. So we didn't done this option. The second table we have done.
No.
Okay, fine. So like this is a mathematical calculation table in which we have work our date functions, we have work on our alpha functions and some mathematical calculation of sum, average, max, mean. Now we have to perform some other mathematical calculation. First it is asking for power. So what do you mean by power here?
Multiplication, no?
Multiplication, right? So means multiplying the number by itself a number of times. Suppose I am saying that my power is 5 for the number. So this is your number and power is 5. It means you have to multiply to 5 times, right? So this is power. So this we want to do with the help of function. So use this function equal power,
Okay.
tab button, comma. After that it will ask you for the power. So your
Five, huh?
power will be
5.
5. Enter. Now you will drag it. So basically it has multiplied the 2 5 times by itself.
It's 2 into 2 into 2 into 2
Right.
like that.
Hmm.
But what if I simply have to do 5 into 2?
Sorry?
Simply I have to do 5 into 2.
I'm telling this. First of all, drag this one. So now what I want to multiply only 5 into 2. Means I want to simply multiply it. So we'll use a function of product only.
Okay.
Okay, use this function equal product. Tab button. Number you will select which is 2, comma. After that you will put 5.
Multiplication, it's product.
Right. Now you will drag it.
Okay.
See. Now you tell me, suppose if you divide 10 by 3, so what will be your remainder value?
So I'll have to do equal to
No, remainder is not the formula, but I am asking just manually that if you divide 10 by 3, so what will be your remainder formula?
1.
1, fine. So like we have to get the remainder value if all the numbers divided by 3 here. So we'll use a function of equal mod.
Okay.
Tab button.
Okay.
After that you will select the number which is 10,
Okay.
comma, and divisor. Means which number you want to divide is 3, right? Enter. Now you can drag it also.
MOD is for division.
Sorry?
MOD is for division.
MOD is to get the remainder value. If you want to divide the material, you have to do in this way. Suppose equal 10, divide symbol will be there and 3. This is the actual division. But see, when you divide it, it will give you 3.33 something. But I don't want this 3. I want remainder value, which is remain left. So that's why we are using this MOD.
Okay.
Okay. But here also you will get to know that in power that we are getting now like decimals is more.
Too many.
Right, so what I don't want this kind of decimal, I want only value. This decimal will remove here, so we have, suppose as of now, no, you may clicking on this options and removing the decimals.
That
But now,
also I tried. Okay, it did
huh,
not come here. 1 second, wait. I'll
okay,
in this practice sheet one. See, here the average is coming like this. Okay,
okay,
select this and I do this, is it? And it was coming like this.
so you have to use the second one, na, decrease decimals.
Okay, this is increase, huh?
Yeah,
Oh, okay, okay. Acha, acha. I can select everything and do.
you have to select all things and then you have to do done.
Okay, 1 point we can keep,
Right,
na?
now just go to the basic formulas again. Now
Hmm.
in basic formulas, what I want you to do, I don't want any decimal value. I just want an integer value. So basically we are using it with a formula. So use function equal int,
Equal int.
tab button.
Tab, okay.
Now you will select the power value. Enter. Now you will drag.
So it will make a difference. Equal.
Enter. So means it will give you only integer value. It will not give you any kind of decimal.
Or you can go there on top also and remove off all the zeros.
It's up to you. You can use the increase and decimal option. And if you want to use integer, it is also a good option. Okay. You know what is square root
So only
value?
when you're
Yeah.
teaching the shortcut also, no, always on top also where we should use what you just let me know. Okay.
Like any this option. This we
Like
are
for
using.
example here, yes, like what we did is like, the option. Like for flash fill, you taught me one this thing, but we can also go here and just click off, right? So I'm just telling you that though you're teaching me this thing, the formulas, even
Okay.
could just tell me like from clicking here, how will we get it? Like just
Fine.
in okay for everything, so that
Okay.
it'll
Okay. Fine. So you know what is square root value?
no, I don't.
Just like the power option that we have to multiply the number by itself a number of times, we have some square root and cube root values to be taken out. It's a mathematical again a calculation. So I want you to get the square root value of this option. So just use this function equal sqrt
Equal SQ. Okay.
tab button and you will select 2 here. So when you select 2 and press enter, it will give you the square root value for the number. Now you will drag this option.
Drag.
You have to drag it.
Okay.
See, when you have drag it, it is giving you a lot of decimals. But sometimes what I need is, I don't want to come remove all the decimals. I want some specific decimal. Suppose I want 3 decimals. But for getting 3 decimals, we have 3 more options. We have round up, we have round down. Okay. So no need to drag, just use this function once. Equal round down. Tab button. You will select the square root value.
Okay.
Comma. Number digit, I want 3 numbers. Enter. Now you tell me, is it giving you correct value? Is it giving you 3 decimals only?
Yes, it is. No?
Okay. Now use round up. No need to drag. Now use round up.
Okay. Number. Number digits? 3, yeah?
Yeah, 3 only. Now you will drag all the things. Both formulas you will drag.
What is the difference between round up and round down?
That we have to understand. Now you just take out both the values. This is round up value and this is round down value. Now you tell me the difference.
The last digits are changing. No?
Last digits are changing, but in round down you will see there is 1.414 only, right? So it is giving you the same thing. But when we look out the round up, it is giving you 1 plus. So basically round up is always give you as it is data, which is written here 1.414. But when we do round up, it means we are adding 1 plus. It always give you +1. Always. Okay. So if you want to get your as it is data from the decimals, you will use round up. If you want to use up value, you will use round down is there for as it is, +1 value is round up. Now clear, Rasmina? Now just take a look of this formula only. Round. Use this function equal round. Now you will drag. Drag it first, then you will let you know. Now you will see that some values are matching with the round down and some values are matching with round up. Right? So basically, why I'm just typing here. When we do round down means it will give you as it is data, which is written here. But
So
when
that
we do,
usually, I think
uh,
round is just that, the number after that is above 5 means we just
right,
add to the.
give
Okay.
+1, and when we use round, the same you have said that if the value, the nearest integer, if it is greater than 1, it will add 1, and if it is less than 5, it will give you as it is data. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so the same thing happen here. It is less than 5, so that's why it is giving you as it is data. It is also less than 5. Here it is greater than 5, so that they are getting
So the best option is to use the round because it
round.
gives the aggregate
Yeah.
thing. Okay.
Okay, so like we
Mhm.
can use any one of the option, but they are not used individually ever. They have to use inside the formula. This is my square root. I can
Mhm.
provide this round function inside this. Round the square root value up to 3 decimals.
Mhm.
In this way we have to do.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the option. Fine. Now, like for practice purpose also, like we have completed our date function and basic formulas. Practice one you have completed. I have checked it out.
Hey, one more thing I
Huh,
wanted to ask. Yeah, here,
yeah.
na, for example, I did one mistake and then I wanted to delete it. ये वाला
Hmm.
जो है, I was clicking right. Why I'm not getting? If I have to delete the entire data, how do I do?
You have to delete the entire entries.
Entire entry.
So you will press delete button only.
I'll select and I'll press D. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So like you haven't done this option. Find out the length of the roll number.
No, you did not teach, na? How do we do
No,
that?
length. Basically, we want to calculate how many characters are there. Length is there. Equal LEN. Next length we have to understand.
Equal LEL.
Huh.
Okay. LEN.
Yeah.
LEN. Okay.
Tab button. And you
Okay.
will select the roll number.
Roll number इधर आ गया. Close.
Enter. And now you will write.
Okay. मतलब कितने how many digits are there?
Yeah. How many characters are there?
Okay,
Let's see.
student's name is Ram Kumar. So this one I did. I started doing this.
Right.
ये हो गया. Match student's name with B column. Column B.
Basically, what you want to do, this is the P column in which I have written the name. In the same way, C column is there from where you have taken out the names with the help of a formula or flash fill. So what I want you to do, you have to match the functions. So use equal exact.
Equal exact. Okay.
You will select the C column value first.
Okay. नहीं आ रहा है ना?
Tab button, comma, and the P section you will select. Yeah. So like it will compare both the
False
values.
because ये मतलब the formatting is different, correct?
Right.
तो इसको पहले हम लोग proper कर देते हैं.
No, इसको हम कर सकते हैं ना, because we have used one formula. Maybe you have used flash fill here. So that's why we have to use this function here only. Control E. I'm just removing these values. Control E.
Control A I have to press. Okay.
No, the control E. I have made the selection. Now use control E.
Okay.
Now you will see true has come because the cases are same. See, false is also there because in the starting of the Mohanlal we have given a space here. That's why. Okay. Any other option? This you will do today. Find out the weekday of the date of birth.
And on the weekday of the
Date
date.
of birth. Okay.
So we will do equal to weekday. One second, मैं क्या weekday. फिर open quotes. quotes.
Serial number you have to select, which is your date of birth you have to select.
But ये कैसे ऐसा है ना?
अब कोई बात नहीं, वो काम कर जाएगा आपका.
अच्छा, okay.
कॉमा, नो अभी आप इसे ऐसे ही करो, एंटर प्रेस करो, so ऑटोमेटिकली वो आपको सिर्फ नंबर देगा.
I did not understand you.
हाँ, means like if you press enter ना, so it will give you number only. Press enter, just
Where enter?
double enter. First
Enter.
of इसके में I have selected this and I am pressing enter. So it will give you only numbers, right? But I want to change it into name. So use text function here.
Text. Equal to text. Okay. Open in this one tab.
Go at the last inverted commas D.
Inverted comma only D. One D alone. Only one D.
4 times D. Now you will run. Okay.
First I did is equal to weekday open column, and then this date I typed and I closed it off. Then I got the date, and then what I did is equal to text. Open weekday comma open bracket. Then I selected I put D, and then I closed it. Then I got this. Correct ना? पहले हम लोग को नंबर निकालना पड़ेगा, and then only we'll be able to give you the.
फिर उसको चेंज करना है, मींस टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेट में हमें चेंज
तो उसके लिए the formula is equal to weekday open column and just date of birth select करने से हम लोग को वो मिल जाएगा. Correct?
Yeah. Okay. Now you have data to be practiced on practice 3, practice 2, sheet 1. Okay. So these 3 sheets are there for you practice on date functions, and some basic formulas is also there.
Where? Come again.
Like sheet 1 is there in which you have to make practice. Practice 2, this is the one, and the practice 3. Okay. So on this you can practice today. And in the evening
I'll do this because you just not thought of this.
So in evening we'll connect for the conditional formatting options. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.